Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
अथर जरा 2 मिनट रुको बेटा, एंटर तो होने दो सबको क्लास में, है ना? थोड़ा सा वेट कर लो।
Good morning, ma'am.
एंड अथर सिंह कैमरा ऑफ मत करना अपना, आज हमेशा कैमरा ऑफ रहता है। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग। Yes, good morning everyone. Just open your camera, Yashraj Mahajan and Pratyaksh Rathi. Why there are so many less number of students? I don't know why. फोर्थ बी में सबसे कम स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं। वेट अ मिनट, वेट अ सेकंड। ओके नाउ सी, सार्थक कैमरा खोलो, प्रत्यक्ष कैमरा ओपन करो। बेटा स्तुति, डोंट शो लाइक दिस, ऑलवेज सेंड इट ऑन द ग्रुप।
Good morning,
The
ma'am.
evening, not now, and in the evening only. अच्छा बेटा, कल हमने 2 डिजिट्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लिया था ना शीर्ष?
Yes, ma'am.
2 डिजिट्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन we have done yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
We done
exercise 3.1.
Molly, please switch off your mic because half of the classes you don't attend and you are telling me. आधे दिन तो absent रहती हो।
Ma'am, but my work is done.
Okay, now please keep your mic off. That's it.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute बेटा। शीर्ष, let me check. Maths work बेटा, two digit के numbers का multiplication we have done yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
And I told you the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
I
They
told you
are
the
on
answers
WhatsApp.
also. Okay, but I've
Yes,
not
ma'am. They
shared
are
it
on
on the D
WhatsApp.
group. Let me share it on the D group. मैंने D group पे share नहीं किया, so let me share it on the D group.
Ma'am, you already sent on D group.
D group पे बेटा 1 digit का किया था, क्वेश्चन D किया था या नहीं किया था? शीर्ष मुझे कॉपी दिखाओ, कहाँ तक किया था? लास्ट पेज दिखाओ।
Ma'am, I did not make the bookmark.
Don't show me the bookmarks now. 21063, ये कौन सा नंबर है? 769 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24। ये आंसर गलत आ रहा है शीर्ष तुम्हारा, सेकंड वाला ठीक नहीं किया इसको।
Yes, ma'am. I am checking it.
454994, ठीक है शीर्ष, okay, you can keep it down. Okay, so today we have to start with the word problems, right? So before starting the word problems, I have to teach you something else. Okay, look at my video. Wait a minute, let me spotlight myself. Yeah, wait. Okay, now see here everyone, let me teach you about word problems. अब हम word problem start करने वाले हैं. So for a word problem, I must tell you something. A, and, each, per, ये वर्ड्स किसके लिए यूज होते हैं पहले मुझे ये बताओ। एवरी, ये थर्ड क्लास में मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी थी। इस एंड, ईच, पर, एवरी अगर ये यूज होता है तो ये वर्ड व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड्स फॉर? व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड फॉर? ए, एंड, ईच, पर, एवरी, व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड फॉर? Nobody remembers? Zoya, open your camera or I'll throw you out.
And each pair every.
ये तो मुझे भी पता है. Thank you so much for telling. To read it. And each per every. What does it stand for? इसका मीनिंग क्या होता था? थर्ड क्लास में मैंने बहुत बार बताया है इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में जब भी ये वर्ड्स आते हैं तो.
One.
One. Very good. It means one. A and each per every. It means one. Okay. So देखो, अगर ये बेटर वर्ड्स क्वेश्चन में आते हैं तो इसका मीनिंग होता है वन. अब मैं आपको एक नॉर्मल सी बात बता रही हूँ. जस्ट लुक एट मी. डोंट डू एनीथिंग. जस्ट लुक एट मी. If I ask you to bring one pen, if I ask you to bring one pen, and one pen costs rupees 5, and one cost of one pen is rupees 5. Now, if I ask you to now one pen is of 10 rupees. If I ask you to bring 5 pens for me, what is the cost of that pens? How will you pay for me that much? Hmm? 50.
Ma'am, by multiplying it.
50.
Ma'am, by
You will pay 50
multiplying.
rupees for it. एक बेटा दिमाग ज्यादा मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड में नहीं लगाओ. मैं आपसे एक नॉर्मल सी बात पूछ रही हूँ. अगर मैं बोलूंगी एक पेन 10 रुपीज का मिल रहा है, अगर मैंने आपसे कहा 5 पेन्स लेकर आने हैं, तो आप कितने रुपीज पे करोगे उनको?
150.
You will pay how many rupees? You will pay 50 rupees to them.
150.
ठीक है. अब मैंने आपको अगर बोला है वन पेन लेकर आओ and one pen is of rupees 5 and I have asked you to bring 7 such pens. ऐसे ही 7 पेन्स लेकर आओ. Such pens means उसी के जैसे 7 पेन्स लेकर आओ. So how will you calculate it?
Ma'am, by multiply.
By multiplying. तो आप क्या करोगे? 5 को आप 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. It will be rupees 35. It will be rupees 35. 7 pence, cost of 7 pence will be rupees 35. 1 pen is of rupees 5, so 7 pence will be of rupees 35. Understood? समझ आया ना? क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बेटा? whenever we are given cost of anything, one thing के बारे में अगर हमें पता होता है and they are asking for many things, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं उसके लिए? We use the word multiplication. One thing to many things. If we are given one pen की कॉस्ट दे रखी है और many pens की कॉस्ट, many की जगह कुछ भी हो सकता है, 5 pens की कॉस्ट दे रखी है, so we will multiply by this number to the number of things. Okay? समझ आया मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं, कब करते हैं? Now open your maths book, page number 4040. Yesterday, have I given you any homework?
No, ma'am.
तो नोट डाउन करो. मैथ्स होमवर्क नोट डाउन करो. पेज 40, क्वेश्चन पेज 40, एक्सरसाइज 4.1, क्वेश्चन बी, ऑल पार्ट्स. Note down your homework. And tomorrow I will see who will not do. Solving करना है, पूरा सॉल्व करना है बुक में ही. Solve also. पूरा सॉल्विंग करके दिखानी है, सिर्फ आंसर नहीं लिखा होना चाहिए. Solve it also. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it.
Solve only book.
Take a screenshot of it.
Ma'am, take.
Chalo, let's start the next question now. Okay, take out page 40 only. You take out page 40 only and I'll ask you to read the questions. There are very less students, only 11 students. Yes, Raj, better read the first question.
मैम ये फॉलो राइट पेज नंबर
सीधे चुप होकर के बैठ जाओ मानस, फालतू क्वेश्चन मत करना मुझसे. Yes, Raj, Peter, read the first question.
if a doctor earns rupees 4,420 per month, how much does he earn in 6 months?
Very good, very good. If a doctor earns rupees something in per month, what do you mean by per month? अभी मैंने आपको meaning बताया था per month. Very good. 1 month. Right.
In 1 month.
That means in 1 month.
We do multiply.
Now see, 1 month, how much the earning is the doctor doing in 1 month? Rupees 4,420. Now, how many months you have to calculate if you read the whole question? How much does he earn in 6 months? How much does he earn in 6 months? So, beta, what I told you, अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? जब 1 के बारे में कुछ पता होता है और 6 के many के बारे में पता करना होता है, तो उसे क्या कर देते हैं हम? मल्टीप्लाई. क्या किससे किसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? ये जो 4,420 रुपीज है, इसको आप 6 से इस वाले नंबर से ये वाला सेम नंबर कॉपी होगा नीचे और ये वाला मल्टीप्लाई हो चुका है इस वाले से. अच्छा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो कि आप सब मिस्टेक करोगे, नो बडी विल सॉल्व द आंसर हियर. नो बडी विल सॉल्व द आंसर हियर. ऐसे करके अगर तुमने सॉल्व किया, so I'll give you 0. I'm telling you, I'll not accept such answers. I will accept the answers like this. ऐसे ही लिखना इसके सामने multiply by 6. Solving यहाँ पर नहीं करी जाएगी, solving middle में करी जाएगी, यहाँ पर करी जाएगी solving. Don't solve here or here. Everyone will make a separate, नीचे एक line छोड़कर you will do the solving here of multiplication. If you will do here, I will cut your whole answer. I will not consider that answer. I will reject that answer. Okay, so you have to write in this way, and multiplication part you have to do here. Okay, so let's start doing this question. Take out maths pen, notebook, new same page. You can continue if you have this on the same page. You can continue from the same page if you have it. Wait a minute, let me download it. Take out your maths pen, notebook, new page, and keep your cameras on, everyone. Keep your cameras on. Yes, good. Okay, maths pen, notebook on a new page. Wait, kahan gaya? This is 3.1, portion D1. Okay, मैथ्स पे नोटबुक, न्यू पेज. अच्छा, डू वन थिंग, टेक आउट अ न्यू पेज. उसमें फिर आपने बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट वगैरह बहुत ज्यादा करा होगा ना, सो टेक आउट अ न्यू पेज. इट्स बेटर टू टेक आउट अ न्यू पेज and start doing this question. Okay, if a doctor earns in 1 month is rupees this much. Don't forget to put, अच्छा, multiply by 6 यहाँ नहीं कर देना. If you will do multiply by 6 here, I will give you 0. ठीक है, अब पर मंथ नहीं लिखोगे, यहाँ पर 1 मंथ लिखोगे, और सेम स्टेटमेंट हम सेकेंड वाली यूज करते हैं. And keep your cameras on so that I can see you are doing your work, your parents are not doing your work. Atharv Singh, Mishti Mishra, open your cameras. So that I may know that your parents are not doing your work, you yourself are doing the work. Atharv Singh, is there? Okay. Atharv Singh, do the work yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. By the time you read the next question and try to frame the answers, do not tell me, but see in your mind. Just think in your mind what will be the answer of this one. Think about yourself.
Ma'am, what is the date? I have done
Today is
today.
16th of June. 16 June, beta. Today date is 16 June. And check your answers once again.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, wait a minute. Don't send the answers, okay? जब next वाला भी हो जाएगा उसके बाद you can send. Vikas, open your camera. First of all, you are late and your camera is off. Why so? All of you have done? Who is left?
No, I have done.
Who else is left? Oh, so everyone has done? Vikas, open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me start the next question then.
No, ma'am, please 1 minute.
Okay, बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हम नहीं करेंगे. ओके, आई विल नॉट डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इन क्लास. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कट है वो हम करेंगे नहीं, बट इट इज नॉट कट ऑल्सो. वो मैं आपको समझा दे रही हूँ. सिंस इट इज अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, तो वी विल नॉट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन इट. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? क्वेश्चन इज, it is given there are if a flower vase cost rupees something, कुछ भी हो सकता है. how much would 15 flower, ये बिल्कुल पेन जैसा मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन बताया ना, वैसा ही है. if a flower vase means what? how many flower vases are there?
1.
One. A means one. One flower vase का आपको प्राइस दे रखा है, and you have to calculate for 15 vases. So that means you have to multiply for this rupees by 15. Cost of one vase, cost of 15 vases. बस simple. ठीक है, तो हम नहीं करेंगे question 2. We will do question 3. Do it, complete it quickly. जल्दी complete करो इसे. I'm just going to remove it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good.
So now we have to don't write question 2.
हाँ ना, क्वेश्चन 2 नहीं करना है, क्वेश्चन 3 करेंगे डायरेक्टली, क्वेश्चन 2 नहीं करेंगे. We'll not do question 2.
Question number 3.
Okay, we'll not do question number 2. So we will start from question number 3. Okay. Now, Kanishka, read the question number 3. Kanishka, read question number 3.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which page number?
Very good, Kanishka. Page number पूछ रही हो बेटा? अच्छा, first question complete होने के बाद you are asking about the page number. Very good.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Pratyaksh, you read. Kanishka, pay attention instead of talking at your home. You just pay attention on your studies. हाँ प्रत्यक्ष
There are 35.
हाँ
There are 35 students in each. If there are 466 sections, how are there in the school?
Okay, very good. So see here, what is there? Wait a minute. There are, जैसे आपके स्कूल है, आपके स्कूल में if there are 3 sections in your school, if there are 3 and one section has 30 students, so how many students will be there in 3 sections in all? Wait a minute. Let me open my video. पहले मुझे इसका आंसर बता दो, अभी बताती हूँ मैं. इसको मैं बताती हूँ. First tell me the answer of this one. What is the answer of this one?
Ma'am, the answer is 26,520.
किसका आंसर बेटा? ये वाला आंसर, फर्स्ट वाला.
Ma'am, answer 26,520.
26,520. 26,520
Yes,
is it coming? So write here 26,520, and here also you write 26,520. 26,520. Write this. Is it the same answer coming?
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
mistake कर दी है कहीं
Yes,
पर?
ma'am.
Okay, now let us start the next question. Now
No,
everyone
ma'am.
has. Now look here. I will share it on the WhatsApp. Don't worry. Okay, now look here. Now look here. There are 3 sections in a school. There are 3 sections. Section A, Section B, and Section C. ठीक है? So there are 30 students in each section. That means wait. इसमें ऐसा दिया है there are 30 students in this class, 30 students in this class, and 30 students in each class. Each means one class. In this class this is also 30, this class is also 30, this class. If I ask you how many total students are there, so how many total students will be there? What you will do? 3 times 30. You will add 30, 30, 30. That means you will add 3 times 30. 3 times
Ma'am, 90.
is 3 multiplied by 30. Okay, 90 students. Or you can say one section has, or another method is, one section is having how many? 30 students. And there are how many section? 3. अब फिर से वही आ गया ना, one से many. I told you one thing is given to you and many things you have to calculate. Then you will do the multiplication. तो आप 30 को 3 से multiply करते हैं. Okay. So what will you do in this question? Tell me the first statement. How will you write the first statement? अभी लिखना नहीं है. सिर्फ tell me. Okay. Only tell me how will you write it. What will be the first statement?
Number of students in one section.
Very good. Number of students in one section. Number of students in one section. Why is it? Number of students in one section. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
Second one you will write number of students in another section. In not second. Not second. How many sections are there?
Ma'am, 456.
तो 1 की जगह बेटा, सिर्फ 1 की जगह आप 456 रिप्लेस कर दो. और फर्स्ट की जगह क्या आ रहा है? How many students are there? 35. अब बेटा 35 की जगह तो 35 लिखोगे और ये 456 आगे लिख दोगे. Don't multiply here. Don't multiply here. यहाँ पे 456 नीचे लिख करके 456 35 मल्टीप्लाई लिख करके यहाँ पर नहीं मल्टीप्लाई होगा. मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पर करोगे. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30. Okay. Now open a maths pen notebook जल्दी से quickly. Open maths pen notebook. So question 2, same page. You can continue. You can continue from the same page. Since it is second question, so you can continue from the same page and start doing this. Students, number of students भी लिख सकते हो, students भी लिख सकते हो. Students in one section, students in 456 sections. How many questions are left in reasoning? कितने questions रह गए reasoning में? कितने question कर लिए हैं?
I'm telling.
Hmm?
I'm telling. I'm checking on D group.
Okay, अच्छा D group
Ma'am,
पे
last time
मैं
we are
check कर लूँगी.
doing
Don't worry,
20.
I will check it. Don't worry, I will check it myself. ठीक है, thank you Sheesh for telling me. What is this?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is no space to write so statement.
So statement के तो नीचे लिख लो बेटा, कहीं पे थोड़ा सा एक शॉर्ट सा स्टेटमेंट बना लो अपनी तरफ से, कहीं आगे नेक्स्ट पेज पर लिख लो.
Ma'am, can I write? Ma'am, can I write here? Here?
किधर?
Because there's
तो
no
बेटा
space
कहीं पर
here.
भी लिख लो.
Ma'am, can I post on WhatsApp group?
Now you can post. Yes. Let me check in fourth AD group. AD. We have done till question number 40. I think वो हमारा complete हो गया था, बस हमने एक question बीच में छोड़ा था, right? वो complete कर लेंगे आज. Today we will start the next chapter. Analogy and classification, right? Okay, beta, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the next reasoning exercise, that is analogy and classification. उसकी मैं आपको video दिखा रही हूँ बेटा. You just see the video properly. Okay? नहीं alphabet test है अब तो. No, sorry. Analogy and classification ही है. It is
Yes,
an
ma'am.
it is. Let me share a PDF of it. Wait a minute. 10 minutes are left, so we will do the reasoning. I'll start the alphabet test today. Alphabet test. Today we will start alphabet test. This is the chapter name, alphabet test. I'm sharing you the
So
whole
after
PDF.
alphabet test, there are coding and decoding.
Yes, after that there is coding and decoding और बहुत easy वाली coding and decoding है. मैं आपको इससे difficult वाली सिखाऊंगी coding and decoding. इसमें बहुत easy दे रखी है, वो भी करेंगे, इस book वाली भी करेंगे, but I will teach you another one also.
And today we are only doing this word problem to
Yes. Today we will do only these two problems. So now we will start the reasoning work. Let me make a PDF of the next exercise and send it to you.
So ma'am, you will show us read.
I will show you what?
I have done marks and also sent on the group.
All of you have the reasoning book. Is there someone who is not having a reasoning book? Is there someone in the class who is not having reasoning book with them? Tell me your name. Who is not having? So from today onwards, we are going to start a new exercise, that is alphabet test. This is 4th A group now. This is 4th B, sorry, BT.
But there are many exercises left.
अच्छा मैंने 4th A का देख लिया. Sorry. वो मैंने 4th A का देख लिया. I'm so sorry. Wait. तो हम यही वाली reasoning start करते हैं. We are on question number 22. चलो. Sorry. Let's start from question number 22. Wait. So I'm opening that my PDF. Just wait a minute. Let me open my PDF. I hope everyone has done this. What is the answer of this one coming? जल्दी से बताओ इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
Ma'am, the C1.
क्या आ रहा है? C1. इसका आंसर बताओ.
Yes, ma'am, C. Oh, ma'am, this.
What? 1 5. This is coming.
Ma'am, 15,960.
This is coming, beta.
15960.
Yes, this is the answer coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your answers. Here it will come 2280, and in next statement it will come 1368. Wait.
Ma'am, where?
1368, and here it will be a cross. Wait a minute. This is the answer coming. Okay, so let us start the reasoning now. Wait, let me open the PDF. Open your cameras, Atharv Singh, Zoya, Pratyek, Shati, open your cameras quickly. Reasoning class 4th now. Chapter number 1. Okay. Question 22 तक हमने कर रहे थे beer वाले तक, है ना? Let's do it quickly because A और C में we are going to finish this. Beer वाला कहाँ गया? This we have done. Beer वाला, हाँ. Find the missing number. मैंने ये बता दिया था missing number. Question number 23 we have done yesterday.
No, ma'am. Yes.
Let me check it.
Ma'am, last time we have done the answer is 60.
Okay. तो हमने सिर्फ 22
ma'am,
question
66.
तक करे थे. Now let's do the question number 23. Let's do question number 23. 22 तक करे थे. Let's do question number 3. Okay, find the missing number if the certain rule is followed here. What is the rule followed here? Can somebody tell me? Oh, sorry, beta. You're not. I'm not sharing it. Wait. Let me share it. I'm not. I thought I shared it. Wait. Sorry. Yes. 23rd one. Now, who can tell me the reason of this one? Okay, Sheesh, tell me the reason of the 23rd one. What is the pattern followed here?
Ma'am, they are multiplying. Ma'am, they are multiplying the last two numbers.
Yes, they are multiplying the last two numbers. 9 sevens are 63, 5 eights are 40, and 11 sixes will be
66.
66. So 66 is the correct option. Okay, let me share it first of all on the D group. पहले मैं इसे click कर लूँ, then I'll start teaching you the next question. Okay, the next question now. Your mouse. Okay, let's do 24, 25 and 26. See here in the first one, 24th वाला जो है, what is the pattern followed here? Check it quickly. बताओ मुझे क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है 24th में?
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, the answer is A1.
बेटा रीजन बताया करो, आंसर ABCD मत बताया करो मुझे. I want the reason, not the answer A1, B1, 2, C1.
Ma'am, there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
नहीं, this is the wrong reason बेटा. अगर आप बीच वाला नंबर देखोगे तो 3, 4, 5, 5 दो बार रिपीट हो रहा है, इसलिए this is the wrong one reason.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
स्तुति, अब अपना माइक ऑफ कर लो बेटा, वैसे ही आवाज नहीं आती है. creates a lot of disturbance. Now switch off your mic. Yes.
Ma'am, first the yellow arrows coming means yellow color.
बेटा 24th.
Okay.
Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 237
plus yes plus
ma'am plus 500
plus
is
500
equals to, yes
plus
ma'am.
5, no, wrong.
Ma'am, 500 is equals to 342. 342, ma'am.
Now look here, unnecessarily बोले जा रहे हो, सिर्फ तुक्का लगा रहे हो. Look here, 237, 342, this is a question given to you. Now how will you do it? Look here, 237 में से आप 342 में से आप subtract करो 237. So what will you get? 12 minus 7 5, 3 minus 3 0, and 2 minus 2 0. So it will be 3 minus 2 will be 1. So answer will be 105 plus 105. You are getting this answer. अब 345 52 और 352 652 में से 657 था I think, है ना? 657 है ना? ये 650.
No, ma'am.
मैंने गलत कॉपी. बुक में चेक
No,
कर.
ma'am. 657. 657.
657 है ना? हाँ.
Ma'am, it's 650.
It is 657. अब 657 में से you subtract 552. What will you get? 7 minus 2 5. 5 minus 5 0. 6105. Here you are also adding 105. That means what is the pattern followed here? अगर हम एक बार try करते हैं 342 में 105 add करके देखते हैं कितना आंसर आएगा. चेक करते हैं पहले हम. 342 में आप 105 ऐड करके देखो कितना आंसर आएगा. 5 plus 2 7 4 4 7. It is coming 4 4 7. अब 4 4 7 में आप 105 ऐड करके देखो. 4 4 7 में अगर आप 105 ऐड करोगे it will be 7 5 12 5 4 1 5. Is it coming 5 5 2? Yes. That means the correct option is 4 4 7. And what is the reason here? That means plus 105 is the reason. Plus 105 is the reason here. Question 20. This is the correct option, 447. We are able to complete only 2 questions today. So tomorrow I will keep prepared for it and we'll do quickly. Last 10 minutes हमें reasoning को देने anyhow. Okay, at least we have to do 5 questions every day. Okay. Then
Okay,
only we
ma'am.
will be
Bye,
able to
ma'am.
complete it on time. Bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Lesson 1 is left, so we'll
Bye,
see.
ma'am.
Okay, so be ready with the
Bye,
reasoning
ma'am.
books also tomorrow.